All right, so I didn't close the repo before I ended the lecture, so I just wanted to let you guys know that you can end the repo by hitting Control C or Control D. So with Control C, you could actually just end the repo. So I hit Control C. It told me to either hit Control C or Control D or a period and exit, and that will exit from the repo. Alright, so now let's start building our to-do list application. So the idea behind this to-do list application is that I do not want anyone to be able to add to-do lists without being logged in. So now I'm just going to build the template. For example, um, we have auth state, and after that we want to say auth user, or let's just call it user, and we have to-do items, and we have mechanisms to add and delete items. So this is the agenda, at least for now, towards the to-do list application as we learn and build along. So to create an auth state, I want to create a boolean. So I'm just going to say var logged in, and I'm just going to set that to false because by default I don't want them to be logged in. And over here now we could say we want to have a variable called user, and this will just store a name, but since we're not logged in, um, it's going to be empty. Our to-do list is going to be an array, so for now, since we haven't looked at arrays, I'll just create a basic template for arrays, and later we'll look at arrays and mechanisms to add to our array list. But for now, this is just the mechanisms, that this is just the template that we have so far. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come over here and log to the console our logged in and our user. So the moment I run this now, sorry, I'll just run index. So now you could just say index instead of saying index.js, so you could just say index. And the moment I run it now, we see we got false, but we actually got nothing here because it's an empty string, and an empty string, it's actually printed, but still it's empty, so there's no way to know it was printed out. So we're not logged in, and there's no user logged in. So we're going to be looking at condition checking in the next lecture, but for this lecture I just wanted to set the basic boilerplate code. So see you in the next one.